Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Friday, July 17th. So, forexfactory.com has a great calendar with scheduled news. So, taking a look at that, at 8:30 this morning, we had building permits, which came in at 1.37 million versus an expected of 1.4 million. So, that's a little bit less than expected. Housing starts were above average, 1.43 million versus an expectation of 1.3 million. That's also a good thing. Import prices month over month were 0.3% versus an expectation of a negative number of negative 0.7%. This is actually a very bad number. This shows us that we have import inflation and it is fully engaged in and active. At 9:15, we have capacity utilization rate and industrial production month over month. At 10 a.m., we have preliminary University of Michigan consumer sentiment as well as preliminary University of Michigan inflation expectations. And then we'll get the Treasury currency report sometime after 10 a.m. Moving to the charts. Daily chart here, you can see that we had a down day yesterday on about average volume, and we are currently gapping down substantially. A big expansion type style day. We are below the moving averages, at least the 20-day and the 50-day. The 200-day is still down here. We are still bullish on the long term. Medium term, still sideways. However, we continue to be in this small little side bracket here. Now, we break below that, it can get really nasty. Short term, we are also very sideways. We are very close to some support areas, as you can see here. But if we break that, it could get nasty. We could retest this low from a couple of weeks ago, this low a month and a half ago is certainly on the radar. Looking at the inventory from yesterday, we had negative price action, we had negative inventory. Those are correlated. Everything is good to go. Looking at the overnight action, approximately 84 points. That's way above average, way above even the short-term average. So lots of volatility. You need to be careful. Where is support and resistance? So above us, above current price, which is at 75.06, we've got a couple of spots, 75.25, 75.40, 75.50 has been a pretty decent resistance point or support level. 75.75, of course, 75.80 also yesterday was a major level. 7,600, all resistance spots. If we continue to go lower, 7,500, the whole number, 74.80, 74.70, just under 74.60, 74.50 right there. We're going to drop down to 74.12-ish, 7400. Stock Trader's Almanac for today is 61.9. 10% chance the market will go up today. From the Stock Trader's Almanac, remember to subscribe and like. Hope you have a great day. We'll see you Monday.